Well, good morning, Disabled RC Cave fans. This is Jeff. I'm just out here, been doing a bunch of 3D printing, doing some scale items. Been putting this Defender together for a while. Got it pretty much looking good, very scaled out. Then took a trailer in on trade a few days ago and printed a mock rooftop tent for the trailer. So this is my Let's Go Camping setup. I'll show you here. And let's see what we got here. So I got the Defender with the Pro Scale light kit in it. Have my friend Randy printed me the canoe a while back. Did a lot of work to this. I bought it as a running, just a stock rig, and I have taken it to another level here. I got all the armor, got a full scale interior in it, got the window covers, the rooftop net on the rack, has the scale barrel, got sand ladders up there, a couple boxes. The trailer actually has lights. I got that from my friend Randy. And there's the mock rooftop tent that I printed out of PLA. I printed this whole little crawl course here out of PLA. It works. Got the tire wave. I haven't finished it yet. Been doing a lot of building lately. Hope to show more of it off here soon. I believe I have 16, and it'll be 17 pretty soon. Right now I'm printing a Volkswagen Baja Bug body. I've got a carbon chassis and a bunch of stock axles and such that I'm going to put under it. Then upgrade it as I can with Endura parts. I get them pretty reasonably off Amazon. I don't leave the house much, not very often at all actually. And so let's go inside the cave here and show you some of the stuff I've been working on. I've got a whole lineup of Defenders, or I got 3 more Defenders. One's been made into a pickup. Shedcraft did the body on that one. It's got a complete aluminum CNC frame under it, Endura motor, some other rigs, seat or K10 over there with the 4-wheel steer. Got the box on top. I got 2 Hobby Park, I believe they are, trucks back there. I haven't run them yet. Extreme RC Hobbies in Redmond is where my friend Randy works. We're part of 541 Scalers. And then I've got this bunch of these 2 Defenders here. This one is pretty stock except wheels and tires and shocks and bumpers. This one's got some upgrades. It's a carbon chassis. It's got some sliders on it, or covers on it, aluminum links, stock shafts. I got a Fat Viper motor in it, which, by the way, will twist a stock shaft if you get it bound up. This one, it's a work in progress still. Pro Scale light kit. The Bronco Pro, it's built. It's all Endura underneath, with the wheels, and got the IR60, the IR40. And I've got my completely built tarantula here with the high country or high trail links, so it's longer. And I am working on, sorry about the shaky camera work, I'm doing this all myself off my iPhone. So over here, I've still got a few parts to put in it yet, but is another tarantula. I painted white with the bronze. The Hobby sole wheel or tires on Endura brass beadlocks, Endura 11 kilogram servo, the Endura silver portal axles, 5/over width, Endura 48 turn motor, ESC, and Endura. You'll have an Endura radio. Still got the battery tray to put in it. I do have the top panel that screws down right here. Just needed access inside still. I got to mount all the electronics. None of that's mounted yet. Endura shocks, Endura 11 kg servo. This has the Endura brass skid, Endura axles, Endura. These are the Bronco Defender high clearance links. So it's a shorter wheelbase than my other tarantula is. This is my grandson's Defender. He gave it to him for Christmas last year. Had to do a couple of things. He lost his radio, so I had to buy him a new radio for it, and I replaced one of the side pieces that I had. Sorry. One of these side pieces I had off an old rooftop cage. When I changed the one out on my my tan Defender, I put a new cage on it. And then he's got his son of a digger here that I gave him this time around. He'll be taking those home with him on Sunday. There's my other son of a digger that my other grandkids run. I know my workbench is just a disaster. Got the double battery carbon fiber battery tray, and then it has a second tray on top for the electronics, so I can get them more to the middle instead of to the back on my tarantula. Then I've been printing these wall mounts. My hope is in the next month to have this side of the building everything taken off and all these shelves to be gone, and then I'm going to mount these mounts on a piece of plywood and have all my cars hang against the wall instead of on shelves, so I have a little more room in my man cave. It's getting too crowded in here, and I've got my drill press and my airbrush on this tray, but I want to be able to put things up top on this shelf with my other rock crawler tent scale trucks. If you haven't figured out, I'm kind of a Chevy fanatic. So I can have more room. If I can keep everything kind of up on the wall, then I can keep the floor clear more, so I can turn with my wheelchair in there. And that's why we're the disabled RC cave. I've been in a power chair now, pretty permanent for about semi-permanent for 5 years, 6 years. And so my hobby is kind of taking over my life. My wife is very supportive of my hobby. do stuff for the grandkids, and it's just been a beautiful thing since we moved to Gresham from over in Metolius, Oregon. So we're just hanging out, enjoying the day. It's kind of a beautiful one today. My man cave is actually solar powered. I run an EcoFlow Delta 2 and an EcoFlow Delta 2 battery and 6 panels to keep it charged. This is just the shed I bought at Summit Structures in Madras, Oregon. And when we moved, I had it moved over here with us. Then my friend George, he was my contractor. He's a friend now. We've worked together. He's done a lot of work for me. He's helped with the property, all my sidewalks so I can get around. Brought me my rock and built this pile for me for my 10th scale crawlers. And brought me the rock for my 18th scale course. And then as I have the strength, I go through and do the rock, and I built the bridges and myself. Keeps me busy, keeps me going. So anyways, I hope everyone's having a wonderful week. Have a safe holiday weekend this weekend, and we will see you again soon. See you.